YouTube? What it do? It's your boy DJ Low, man. We're checking in, dog. And I just got another monitor to add to the setup. As you can see right here, I got the MSI 27-inch curved screen, man. So I had to get another monitor, trying to set up setting up the gaming setup and everything. So we went with the LG Ultrawide gaming monitor, 24-inch. Got the 144 hertz, the 1 megasecond.
Stupid.
You know. So we're gonna check it out, man, and see what it be like, man. They say the millisecond make a change, like it makes a big change. So I mean, I love the one I have so far. I love it. 27-inch, man. It's almost like you own basically like a TV almost. But I love it. I love the response time. I love the hertz, the 1 millisecond, everything. Love everything about it. But it ain't about that. It's about this right here, the LG Ultrawide gaming monitor, baby. So we gonna hook it up, set it up, and see what it be like. I'm gonna turn both of them on, see what they both, how they both compare, man. So stay tuned, man. Just stay tuned, stay tuned. We're gonna see what this monitor is about. Yeet.
The Dynasty.
My cable. I don't know exactly what this is right here. Got the power supply. I don't know what this is. Really LG? Really? Like this? Oh, we got a couple screws we gotta put in here. Alright. Got a quart mount to look leverage. We got red? Oh, man. Yes, here. I like that red. Possibly a chance that they're going to want me to put it all together. Look at that. It's a birdie. It is a beauty. Got a couple HDMI, 2 HDMI, DPN. Got the headphones. Yeah, I like all that. I should do. Put it back in the box to secure it. I don't want nothing to happen to it. I done spent too much money already on it. I don't want to spend no more extra money on it. That's pretty much it. Look at that. I like that.
The Dynasty. That's beats.
Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Looking pretty good so far. So, if you can see, I have two different ones. This is a 24-inch. This is a 27-inch. That's the MSI 27-inch curve. It's the LG 24-inch. As you can see, I'm gonna have to go in and change the settings to this game so far from what I'm looking at from the settings. But for clarity and quality from from looking at both of them, I think I basically will still have to go with the MSI 27-inch curved screen. Now I'm gonna switch it up real quick so you can see exactly what I'm looking at. They still look a little, I know it's the settings that I have to go in and change, but so far, you know, it's looking all right. But it's my baby right here. Now look at that. Look at the difference. Just look at that. The quality and everything is just wonderful. I love it. I love the screen. So, but I got two monitors. Just wanted to show you all how things are set up. Show you all the difference between the two. You can see the difference as far as the screen wise and everything. But other than that, this is the winner right here that I'm going with. The MSI 27-inch curved screen. That is going to be my gaming. And this one will be for my monitor. So, appreciate everybody for tuning in today. You already know what the business is. It's your boy DJ Lil Wall. DJ Lil Wall, turn up on these. And I'm out this bitch.